We'll continue with the one act play which we started in the previous lecture, A Dollar, written by David Pinsky. You know that now all those people who were there traveling for the next town, they were resting in one forest. That is the group of 7 players of drama company, and in that we have two central characters, comedian and the villain. These two are very opposite in nature. Comedian is in love with heroine, but here villain and heroine, these two are there. Again, the major one, and the development of story will continue in this lecture. So, comedian is, we know that in this situation also, sorrowful situation also, making that atmosphere light. Here he brings out one bottle of whiskey. I have a bottle of whiskey. He wanted to make all other people happy with that wine, but the bottle is very small one. General commotion means everybody was laughing and making noise at that time. The woman stopped crying and looked up the comedian in amazement. The tragedian strangles himself out and cast a surprised look at the comedian. The old man, rubbing the hands, jumps to his feet. The villain looks suspiciously at the comedian. So all these people are looking towards the bottle which is brought out by that comedian of wine. Tragedian says, "A bottle of whiskey." Old man, "Hey, hey, hey, a bottle of whiskey." Villain, whiskey. So everybody was happy to look towards that bottle, and comedian wanted to serve that whiskey to each and every person. So actually comedian has that bottle of whiskey, and he had hidden that preserved that moment or the whiskey actually, and now he wants to serve all that whatever that is with him. So villain says, "You call that a bottle, I call it a flask." "A thimble," tragedian says. "A dropper," old man says. And old woman says, "For 7 of us." Oh, that is very little whiskey you have, and that is not possible to distribute that whiskey among these people or 7 people. Comedian says, letting the flask sparkle in the sun. "But it is whiskey, my children." Opening the flask and smelling it, that is whiskey for you. The saloon keeper from whom I hooked it will become that person who gave me all these things. Tragedian says, rises heavenly and slowly proceeds towards the flask. सगळ्यात आधी ट्रॅजेडियन जातो आणि त्याला ती दारू घ्यायची असते त्या फ्लास्कमध्ये ठेवलेली, भांड्यात ठेवलेली. The villain, still skeptical, rises as if unwilling. But the villain is not means accepting the that invitation of comedian to drink the wine, and he is unwilling to go towards the bottle. The old man chuckles and rubs his hand. The old woman gets up indifferently and moves apathetically towards the flask. Nobody is willing to go towards the flask. Unwillingly, they all went to. The heroine and ingenue hold each other by the hand and take ballet steps in waltz time. All approach the comedian with necks eagerly stretched out and smell the flask, which the comedian holds firmly in both hands. Everybody was suspicious that whether the wine is there inside that bottle or not. And they smelled and they wanted to find. Tragedian says, "Oh, fine, it is whiskey." Old man says, "Small quantity but excellent quality, it is good whiskey." Villain says, and heroine started dancing and singing, "My comedian, my comedian." So she expressed her love towards that comedian. Heroine expressed the love. "His head is in the right place, but why didn't you nab a larger bottle?" Okay, you are good that you brought this whiskey, but you have given this in very small bottle. Then comedian says, "Oh beloved one, I had to take in consideration both the quality and whiskey and the size of my pocket." So here he explained why he has such type of small bottle of whiskey. Because of that, means he didn't have money to purchase the larger one. Old woman says, if only there is enough of it to go around. So okay, but it is not sufficient for all of us. Ingenue, oh, I am feeling sad again. So she is in sorrowful situation because again she found that's very little one, that whiskey they wanted. Cheer up, there will be enough for us all. Cheer up, here, smell it again. But comedian is the only person who is happy in every situation, and he wants to cheer all the people up. So comedian says, "Good, if you are so cheered after a mere smell of it, what won't you feel like after a drinking?" So he says that you all smelled this whiskey, but after you taking this whiskey, definitely you will be very happy. In this way, he wants to serve that thing. So I will show you a new roundel which we will perform in our next presentation of Hamlet. So here, after having whiskey, comedian told all those group members that they can practice for their drama, that is they are going to present in the next talk, and the name of the drama is Hamlet. So here they started forming a circle, and then the comedian, heroine, tragedy, and old woman and old man, they formed circle, and they started dancing. So while they danced, they sing a song. Here, comedian is singing a song. You can see this. What type of song is there? That is the question. That is the question. Who would enter in climb, he must over us. If over he cannot, he must get under us. So all say tara la la la. So this is how that chorus is given. Comedian says, to be or not to be. That is the question. That is the question. That is the question in life to win success. So if you know the story of Hamlet, you should know that this is a soliloquy in Hamlet. Hamlet मधलं एक soliloquy आहे, स्वगत आहे, आणि त्याच्यावर एक गाणं कॉमेडियननी रचलंय की टू बी ऑर नॉट टू बी, दॅट इज द क्वेश्चन. करावं की नाही करावं हा प्रश्न आहे. कारण हॅमलेटमध्ये हॅमलेट आपल्या काकाला मारायला जाणार असतो, पण त्याला मारावं की नाही यासाठी त्याच्या मनामध्ये जी द्विधा असते ते त्यांनी वर्णन केलेली आहे. ह्या गाण्यातही तेच बोल किंवा तेच बॉडी आपल्याला दिसते. सो ऑन द लास्ट वर्ड ऑफ रिफ्रेन दे स्टॉप ॲज इफ डमफाउंडेड अँड स्टँड ट्रान्सफिक्स्ड. आता इथं थोडंसं आपल्याला लक्षात घ्यायचं की काय नेमकं त्या गाण्याच्या नंतर चेंजेस होतात ज्याच्यामुळे सगळे ओरडायचे, गाणं म्हणायचे थांबतात. अत्यंत महत्त्वाचा ट्विस्ट ह्या वन ॲक्ट प्लेमध्ये येतो. तर आपण हे नीट वाचूया. ऑन द लास्ट वर्ड ऑफ द रिफ्रेन दे स्टॉप ॲज इफ dumbfounded and stand transfixed with eyes directed on one spot inside of the ring. The villain leans over the arms of the comedian and the heroine. Gradually the circle draws closer till their heads almost touch. म्हणजे सगळेजण असं गोल राऊंड करून डान्स करतायत आणि अचानक त्यांचं सेंटरमध्ये लक्ष जातं. तर त्या ठिकाणी त्यांना काहीतरी असं दिसतं की त्याच्यामुळे सगळ्यांचं लक्ष त्याच्याकडे वेधलं जातं आणि प्रत्येकजण आपापले हात एकमेकाच्या हातात घट्ट बांधून डान्स करत असतात. पण आता ते सोडवण्याचा सगळेजण प्रयत्न करत असतात. त्यांना असं नेमकं काय दिसतं त्या सर्कलमध्ये त्यांनी डान्स करत असताना, तर तिथं त्यांना दिसतो $1. ओके, आता तुम्हाला लक्षात येईल की इथं त्या तुमच्या वन ॲक्ट प्लेचं नाव $1 का आहे. तर त्यांना त्याचे डॉलर सापडते त्या ठिकाणी जेव्हा त्यांना खूप गरज आहे पैशाची त्यावेळेला, आणि त्यामुळं ते सगळेजण तिथं त्या डॉलरच्या प्रेमात पडतात. आता त्याला डॉलरला कोण मिळवायचं, कसं मिळवायचं ह्याच्याविषयी त्यांच्यामध्ये भांडणं व्हायला लागतात. आणि एकदम सगळ्यांना एकदाच ते डॉलरची नोट दिसल्यामुळे सगळेजण एकदाच ओरडतात $1. सो हिअर सी once more they close in and struggle to free. Their hands grows wider. The villain tries to climb over and then under the hands into the circle and stretches out his hand towards the dollar, but instinctively he is stopped by the couple he tries to pass between, even when he is not seen but only felt again, all lean their heads over the dollar, quite lost in the contemplation of it and whispering and interrupting. So, in this way, every movement of all that group members is here narrated in this bracket. What type of means movements these people they did while they found a dollar and how they wanted to get the possession of dollar. So, a dollar separating once again they look at each other and exaltation, and at the same time they try to free their hands once more, exclaiming expressive. आत्ता आनंद होतो सगळ्यांना आणि कुणीतरी प्रत्येक जणांना वाटतं की हे डॉलर आपल्यालाच मिळावं आणि सगळेजण प्रयत्न करत असतात डॉलर डॉलर म्हणत. Then the struggle to get free grows wilder and wilder. The hand that is perchance freed is quickly grasped again by the one who held. आणि प्रत्येक जण एकमेकाच्या हातात जे हात असतात ते सोडवण्याचा प्रयत्न करतात आणि एकमेकाला स्वतःला जे सोडवून भांडण्याचा प्रयत्न करतात आणि ते डॉलर मिळवण्याचा प्रयत्न करतात. आणि नेमकं हे डॉलर कुणाला मिळतं हे आपल्याला माहीत नाही आहे. तर याच्यामध्ये नेमकं काय घडतं तर याविषयी आपण ह्याची पण आपल्याला माहिती मिळवायची आहे. सो यू नीड टू go for the video. You can see in that all these people are trying to get that dollar, and while doing that they are even fighting each other. So the title of this story, as you know, that this is a dollar. Why the title is like this? Because all these people are in need of money and they want to have some money, but they can't get that, and due to that they are searching for job. So suddenly they could get the money and in the form of that means note of a dollar, and there they become very happy, and they wanted to get the possession. Everybody of them wanted to get possession of that dollar. So here we can see what type of commotion was there due to that struggle to get the dollar. We can see in this small video. Yesterday we started watching this video, but today we'll be continuing with the same. What is that remaining story which I have read just now? We'll see.
Look and expire.
Look and shout with ecstasy.
Look and burst.
Stop it, or I'll start bawling too.
Cheer them up, clown.
Of whiskey.
A bottle of whiskey?
Yeah, a bottle of whiskey.
Whiskey.
Yes, a bottle of whiskey, hidden and preserved for a moment such as this. A moment of masculine depression and feminine tears.
You call that a bottle? It's hardly a flask.
But see, that comedian has one bottle in his hand, that is flask of whiskey. He is smelling that, and all other people they are watching eagerly to know whether that is whiskey inside the bottle or not.
There. You're smelling it. What would you think after a drink? Wait, I'll join you. I will teach you a new roundel, which we will perform in our next presentation of Hamlet, to the great edification of our esteemed audience. Oh. The place is clear. Now for dance and play. Join hands and form a circle. But you villains, stay on the outside of it. You are to try to get in, and we dance and are not to let you in without getting out of step. Understand? Then, to be or not to be, that is the question, that is the question, that is the question. He who would enter in, jump, he must over us, if over he could not. He must get under us. Tra-la-la, tra-la-la, over us, under us. Tra-la-la, tra-la-la, under us, over us. Now we are jolly, jolly are we. What you ought to do? That is the question. That is the question. That is the question. In life to gain success, elbow your way through. Jostle the next one, rustle, jostle you. Tra-la-la, tra-la-la, over us, under us. Tra-la-la, tra-la-la, under us, over us. Now we are jolly, jolly are we. To be or not to be.
These women's hands are so frail. Just look at them now.
I think it is you who are holding fast to mine.
Why should I be holding on to you? If you pick up the jar, what's yours is mine.
So let us stop for this period and we'll be continuing with the same in the next.